Number, typing error, cannot determine number type of. I have a simple function to rank poker hands, the hands are strings. I call it with RB equals rank B, and here is my implementation. Works well without it. JIT, Nopithon equals true, but with it, it fails.
Pandas and several other function calls in your code will not work with Nopithon equals true. The available libraries that can be used with number JIT in Nopithon is fairly limited, pretty much only to number py arrays and certain Python built-in libraries. You can find more information here.
Per the deprecation recommendations, it's very reasonable that code which doesn't compile with JIT, Nopithon equals true, could be faster without the decorator. Anecdotally, I found the trivial example I landed here researching was notably faster when simply passing the pandas columns directly to my function to vectorize the operation, rather than using number and paying the method overhead of the columns for a numpy array. However, it continues with the expected argument to clear this warning. If there is benefit to having the @JIT decorator present, then to be future-proof supply the keyword argument forceObj equals true to ensure the function is always compiled in object mode.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.